So for that, we have certain commands to work with. So this is like conda create -p, and then you will give path where you want to create a particular environment. But I don't prefer this first one. I'm just giving you for your reference. I prefer this one, this command. What it will do is it will create the environment, whichever you give name here. So let me try to show you. Okay, let me copy this. What it will do is if I go here, so right now I'm in terminal. So for those who want to access terminal, you have to go to these three dots at the top, click here, go to terminal, new terminal. Okay, by default every time you launch this, most probably you will have base here. Okay, so if you want to work with any other environment, you have to switch it. Okay, so I'm just using this command. Okay, I paste. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I think, oh okay, yeah, it got. So it's conda create -m. So I paste it like the environment name is env underscore name, and then I'm using python 3.10 -y. Okay, yeah, it's just telling like there is a new version of anaconda. So earlier I was not having this environment, by the way, with the name of env underscore name, and now if you will see right here, I will have that environment. So it's just installing, and it's installing. So what all parameters we gave in this command? We gave conda create an environment. -n means create a default location. Don't create it here. Create a default location, and with the name of this in env underscore name. You can use any name, but try to I mean don't use spaces, please. Okay, otherwise you will have errors. And then you give your preferred python version. So in your company, when you go, they might be working on 3.10, 3.7, 3.8. Different projects might have certain different requirements. So based on that, you will install it. Okay, so I'm just using 3.1, and -y is accept everything whatever it says. If you don't put -y, then it will ask you like whether you want to, I mean, uh, really want to create an environment or not, like that. So okay, so I hope yeah, it's created. I mean, for you, you will not have this error because I copy pasted it. That's why it's coming. So now if I go here, I select, go to python environment. If it's not here, right, you have to yeah, it's there. See, env underscore name. Earlier it was not there, so I can switch it like this, env underscore name, and now it's here. And in order to, so right now in terminal I have only base. In order to have it here, what I will type, conda activate env underscore name. Okay, see, now it's env underscore name here, env underscore name here. Which python version I'm working on? I'm working on 3.10. And this command, where in which folder this command created these things? In this folder. Okay, so there will be a lot of files. Ideally we do not push, or I mean, we do not push these files to our you can say github repository. It's just for this you can say temporary work which we are doing here. Okay, so the another command which I want to make you understand is, if you are working in terminal like this, conda env list. So this will produce all the list of environment which are here. So see, so we have base, we have env underscore name, we have this environment, this and this. So we can activate any one of them. So we just now created this. Tomorrow you shut down your laptop and you again open your VS Code, right? So by default, VS Code, what it will do is it will open base environment also. It will by default give you a base here. But then you can run this command conda env list, and you will get to know, okay, yeah, tomorrow I have just created this one, env underscore name, and I can activate it and I can use it. So for activating, you have this command, conda activate env name. Okay.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.